Hi viewers, welcome to Mac to iPhone. In this video, we will see how to add HTML signature in Macmail or Apple Mail. To add HTML signature, first we have to create a signature in Macmail. To do this, open Mail apps, then Preferences or Settings, then Signature. Here you can see I have already two signatures. I do not want to change them. So create a new one by clicking plus icon. If you wish, you can rename it. Then quit Apple Mail. Click Finder and go from menu bar. Now press and hold Option key to show library folder. Then go to library. Mail. Then open V folder or whichever V folder you newest. Mail data. Signatures. Now find .mail signature which is newly created. You can verify it by date by created date. Now right click to this file, open with and select text edit. Now open HTML signature file with Firefox or Google Chrome. Then right click or control click. View page source. Now press Command A to select all and Command C to copy. Do not delete first 5 lines, need to delete after my version line. Now paste here. Now save it. And locked mail signature file by right click or control click. Get info, then tick locked. Now open mail apps again, make sure it is completely quit and open. Now settings or preferences, signature. Now drag your newly created signatures to your email accounts and use your new signature. That's all. Hope this video is helpful. Please like and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.